Coke.
I wonder what he's seeing right now. I really want to know.
Are you seeing like 5 of me right now?
Probably.
Dude, I think he's like possessed or something.
I know. The alcohol.
No, because I don't know. That helps, man. Charles, you're fucking emo. You're being emo.
Oh, he's excited. He's always hiding in a different drawer or something. Yeah, but he doesn't know where it's at. Where it's at. I think my dog so much of that stuff. Damn, what an excited dog.
Wow.